What if you could be part of a groundbreaking moment in the crypto world? SEED is about to make that possible. The SEED team has confirmed that its token will be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges by December 30th, 2024. This listing will make SEED tokens more accessible globally, offering ample trading opportunities for investors and players alike. In tandem with the listing, SEED will conduct a highly anticipated airdrop to reward loyal users and attract new participants. The initial listing price for SEED tokens is expected to be between $0,050 and $0,080 per token, driven by strong community support and user engagement. Experts predict that SEED's price could rise as more users join the platform and liquidity increases through major exchange listings. The airdrop is set to boost user participation, fostering greater community involvement and contributing to the token's value over time. To get involved, stay informed with official SEED announcements, join the community on social media, and prepare your wallet for the airdrop. SEED's airdrop and listing in December 2024 mark a turning point, potentially increasing its visibility in the crypto market. With its innovative play-to-earn model and active community, SEED is poised to make waves. Don't miss out on this exciting new chapter.